Number 9. Benriner BR1 Vegetable Slicer. Review: The Benriner BR1 Vegetable Slicer is a versatile kitchen tool that offers precision and convenience when it comes to slicing vegetables. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I am thrilled to share my review on this particular product. One of the standout features of the Benriner BR1 Vegetable Slicer is its interchangeable blades. This allows users to easily switch between different cutting styles, giving them the flexibility to create various vegetable shapes and sizes. Whether you prefer thin slices for salads, thick cuts for stir-fries, or julienne strips for garnishes, this slicer has got you covered. Measuring at 12.25 inches in length, 3.5 inches in width, and 1.25 inches in height, this vegetable slicer is compact and easy to store in any kitchen drawer or cabinet. Its off-white color and sleek design contribute to a professional aesthetic, making it a great addition to any kitchen setup.